What's up, YouTube? Back with another video, back with another banger, back with another reaction, man. Let's get it. Hey, we finna react to the animals, man. We gotta get out of this place. Sid is made in 1995. This is slideshow thing. I think they never had an original video to it, so I didn't want to do the first video because it was like an army thing or something. I don't know. I just did the slideshow one, so they don't have an original video to it. But we finna get into this, man. I love the animals. Y'all love them, man. Hey, so we back on them. So let's get into this video. Follow all the links down below, description box, man. Subscribe if you're new, trying to hit 100K. Love, appreciate all y'all. You already know what it is. But let's get it. Let's see what it do, man. Love y'all, man. Let's go.
Introducing the animals.
Oh yeah, they some animals. They some animals all the way. I brought a bitch.
In the stereo part of the city, where the sun refused to shine, people tell me it ain't no use in trying. My little girl, you're so young and fresh, and one thing I know is true.
Hey bro, how old was they? They look young. How old they? I know they was big because y'all loving it. Y'all love the animals, bro. Tell me how old was they, bro? They look young, bro. They look like they in they. What, mid-20s? He looked like he in his mid-20s. I ain't gonna lie. Is it like 28? I mean, not 28, like 25, 26. I don't know. That's the easiest look like to me. He look young. He look young.
Wanna die before your time is due. See my daddy in bed dying. See his hair turning gray. He's been working and saving his life away. I know. He's been working, yeah, every day, slaving his life away. He's been working, baby. He's been working. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do.
Hold up. I know y'all see the microphones. The microphones some cubes. What, they speaking of ice cubes? Ice box? What kind of microphones is them? Goodness, that's a whole box. That's a whole, oh man.
We gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you.
Yeah.
My little girl, you're so young and fresh, and one thing I know is true. You'll be dead before your time is due. Yes, you will. See my daddy in bed at time. See his hair been turning gray. He's been working and slaving his life away. Yes, I know. He's been working, yeah. He's been working, yeah. We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do. We gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you. Oh, baby.
Yeah.
We gotta get out of this place. If it's the last thing we ever do. We gotta get out of this place. Girl, there's a better life for me and you.
Ooh, okay.
You know it, baby. And I know it too, baby. Oh, yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I like the animals, man. I love them, bro. Great group, great band. First, hey, like when I first heard of them, man, this was like, it was amazing. Like, they was real good, man. They look young. This is my 3rd time ever reacting to them, man. We gotta clap it up, bro. Give me some more Animals songs down below, man. Because when I search up the Animals, I don't really see like a lot of songs. Y'all gotta give me the names of the songs, bro, because I don't know. But this is a great song, man. Like, subscribe, follow all the links down below, man. You already know we on this grind on 100K. Appreciate the love, support y'all been showing on this channel. Keep on doing what y'all doing. Keep on putting out these bangers, man. Peace and love. We out.
Closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.